alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. You will find the LCM, and in the LCM you will see that beta will be cancelled by beta and alpha will be multiplied by alpha, it will become alpha square. Similarly, alphas will be cancelled and you will get beta square. Now, you know very well that you have to convert alpha square plus beta square into the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So you will do it like this one. So you will convert it into that form. So we will substitute the value of alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta is equals to 3. So you will write 3 square 2 times alpha beta is equal to 6, and alpha beta is equals to 6y. Now, if you simplify, it will become 9 minus 12 by 6, that is minus 3 by 6 equals to minus 1 by 2. So this will be the sum of roots of the required equation, right? We will use it later on. This is the requirement for this question. Now, as well as product is concerned, you will simply get the required roots multiplied, and you will see that all of these will be cancelled and you will get 1. So product of roots is equal to 1. So next is simply the formula in which you have to substitute and you will find the answers. X square minus S dash X plus P dash equals to 0. So S dash is minus minus plus 1 by 2x and product is equals to 1 equals to 0. And as I told you earlier that you should multiply this term with all parts. 2 will be multiplied with all parts so that we can remove the fraction of in between the terms. So you will multiply each term by 2. So this should be your correct answer. Now check the answer. Yes. Yes, it's better. Next part. So right here, these are the roots of required equation. And we are solving, this is question number 2, it's part number E. Fine, and we have already calculated alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So alpha plus beta was 3 and alpha beta is equals to 6 as usual. Now the task is this, that we will find the sum of roots, that we are labeling it as dash to make it different from the given sum of roots of the given equation. So sum of roots for this one, because alpha plus beta is first root and 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is second root. So what we are going to do, that we will add them together like this one. We will show the addition of sum of roots like this one. Fine. So these are the two roots, you will add them together. Now next is that you will simplify it. Alpha plus beta, keep it as it is. And if you will take up LCM right here, this time you will get beta plus alpha only, right? What I have done, I have taken the LCM in the bracket. Now you can use the values of alpha plus beta. You can see that alpha plus beta is 3, where there is beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta are same. So you will write 3 and alpha plus beta is equal to 6. If you simplify this expression by taking LCM, it will become 6 3s are 18 plus 3, that is 21 by 6. And the cancellation will give you 3 7s are and 3 2s are. So this is equals to sum of root of the required equation. Fine. We will utilize it later on. So similarly, product of roots will be alpha plus beta, required equation roots, and you will multiply them together with 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. You are finding the product of roots. So how to find the sum and product of these two terms? Alpha plus beta will be as it is, and again you will take the LCM and it will generate beta plus alpha. Now you are in a position to substitute the values and you will be able to multiply these two numbers. We are finding product P dash. So alpha plus beta in this question is 3. So you will write 3, alpha beta is 6. If you will multiply them together, it will become 9 by 6 and cancellation will give you 3 by 2. This is P dash. We have calculated S dash and P dash. Now put it into this formula and you will simplify it and you will get the answer. This is plus P equals to 0. So values will be substituted, x square and sum is equals to 7 by 2x and P dash is 3 by 2. This is equals to 0. Fine. So if you will get the multiply, it will become 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. This will be the required equation.